Are you a filmmaker, a photographer, or somebody that just wants to make something awesome for their social media? Well, if so, then you're in the right place because this is the home of creativity. If you're wondering how to edit on Adobe Premiere, After Effects, or Photoshop, we've got you covered. If you're looking for cinematography, lighting, sound, photography, tips and tricks, and more, we've also got you covered because we offer all of that and even more. We also offer digital downloads, including project files, assets, and guides, and these are really going to help you to create something awesome. But why should you listen to me? Well, here at Brooker Films, I've made hundreds of music videos, I've worked on TV shows, made short films, worked with incredible companies, artists, and brands. I've learned what to do and what not to do on set. I've learned the mistakes so you don't have to make those mistakes. So watch a video, read an article, or download a project file for free. Take full advantage of what we're offering here, make yourself at home, and increase your skills and your knowledge on filmmaking and photography. So there you go. My question to you is, what are you going to learn today? Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on a future video. See you there.